Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to blur a picture or text in Filmora 14. It's very simple, just follow my steps. Steps 1. Import your video. Launch this program, click Import to pop up a browser window. Select the files you need. When all files are displayed as thumbnails in the left item tray, drag and drop them to the video timeline. Steps to blur pictures with a click. Go to the Effects tab at the top and click the Utility option. There will be about 9 presets, including Mosaic, Crop, Auto Enhance, etc. Now you can see the Mosaic effect on the preview window. Drag and drop the Mosaic preset to the track above it to blur the image. Drag the rectangle to modify the blurring size and position as you like. You can also adjust the % to achieve the best picture blurring effect if needed. Steps 3. Save the blurred video. You've successfully blurred out part of a picture. Now click Create to export your finished video. You can select a video format to save to desktop or publish it directly on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter in the output window. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe our channel and like this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.